Hi everyone! Recently, together with my work colleague Christian, we did a presentation about Vertex animation textures. It was an art game industry conference in Poznan, Poland. We talk about a few simple examples so people can get better understanding about Vertex animation textures, and we also showed a couple complex concepts that we are working on. I've put some examples in this video background so you can see what we'll be showing in the presentation. Slides and videos are also available on my Gumroad. I will also put the text file in the link to the presentation, which is available now on Twitch. I have no idea how it's gonna be listed there. I will also leave the link to the Twitch presentation in the description of this video if you actually don't wanna go through the Gumroad. Please let me know if you might have any feedback about the presentation, about the examples that we showed. Also, any questions welcome. I hope you're gonna enjoy it and it's gonna be helpful for you. We enjoy presenting and sharing what we've been working on. So in the future, I hope we will get more opportunities to present a couple more ideas on various conferences. All right, thank you so much.